In this video, I'm going to show you how to create talking objects like this. So you must have seen videos like this going viral on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram and Facebook, and you're wondering how can you create videos like this. I'm going to show you how to create videos like this. It works with your mobile phone or with your computer. The first thing you need to do is head over to ChatGPT on your phone or on your computer and then locate GPTs or Explore GPT. Once you locate it, just search for talking objects. So you're going to see different GPT that has to do with talking objects. Just select any one of your choice. Let me just select this one, the first one. Then you click on Start Chat. Here you're going to enter any kind of object you want to create an educational video about. Now let's say TV remote. Let's just say TV remote. Click Enter. It will give you a text to image prompt. It will give you the script, then it will give you related objects that you can create videos on at the same time so that your videos can be longer. So at this point, the first thing you're going to do, you are going to copy your text to image prompt. Once you copy it, then you go to any text to image website of your choice to generate this. I'll head over to labs.google.fx. I'll try Whisk, I'll try Flow, and I will try ImageFX. So we are here on Whisk, you click Enter 2, and we are here on Flow, you click New Project. Then this is our ImageFX. So you come over to your ChatGPT and you copy the text to image prompt. So let's try ImageFX first. You select aspect ratio to portrait. Then you enter your prompt. Remember, this works with your phone and your computer, whichever one you are using. You click Enter to generate the image. Under Flow, you click Create Image. Here, under the settings, you change it to Portrait, and then you enter your prompt. Click Enter. Then we come back to Whisk. We paste our prompt. We change the aspect ratio to Portrait, and we click Enter. You can see this is that of ImageFX. So you check any of the images that you like and you download the one you want. Let's check Whisk. This is Whisk. So anyone you like, you download it. Let's check Flow. This is Flow. Anyone you like, you download. So I'm going to use this one here. I'll click on download. So the next step will be to turn this image into animation so that it will talk. You come back to Flow, you click on frame to video. Then you upload your image. If you want to use the one on Flow, you simply click on Add to Prompt. But we are not going to use this one. I want to use the one I downloaded. So I will click on this plus icon. Then I will click on Upload, Agree. So I will select the one I downloaded. So this is the one I downloaded here. I will click Save and Crop. So I will come back to ChatGPT. Here in ChatGPT, I'm going to copy the entire prompt, both the text image prompt and the 10-second script. We'll copy all of it. Then we come back to Flow, and here you set your aspect ratio to portrait. You can put your output to 1 or 2, and then you paste the entire prompt here and you click Enter. We're going to give it time to generate. So our video is done generating. You can see it here. It's done. Let's play it. At this point, what you're going to do, you download it into your phone or your computer. Remember, this works with your phone and computer. So you download it and you generate multiple scenes. Then you go to your video editing tool and combine all the scenes so that you can have longer video length. If you just want to upload only one, fine and good. You can upload only one scene and it will still give you good result on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So I hope this video helps you on how to create talking objects. All you need to do is follow the same process and you will get the same result, and you upload to your channel. Do well to like this video, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and drop a comment.